Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video, and if you're into Huck's World, and yes, we got one for the ladies today. Ladies, it is all about you. Let's kick off this review. All right, you all. Now this one is nice. This one is coming out of Facer, and we got a couple of mobile Facer that we want to check out, right? And we're gonna also blend them in with the Galaxy Watch faces that are in the Galaxy App Store. So don't worry about that one. But I thought this one was unique. We always forgetting about the ladies. Ladies, I got you today. Hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts on this one. Now I'm gonna give you the name. I'm gonna try to find a way to give you the link. Haven't figured that out yet, but I still wanted you all to check this out. For those of you all who got the Facer app, all right. This one is nice. I like the style. The pie look is okay with me. It's going to give you everything from your digital time, your step info, of course, your steps completed, and you're also going to get information on your goal that you may have set for yourself, and you're going to get your heart rate information along with the date at the bottom. Now I do like this. So as you complete your goal, this turns red and it will fill up. Now it looks like a woman with a ponytail in the background, right? Which I thought was very unique. So yes, this is geared toward the ladies, and you're going to get your weather info right there as well. Now I don't know what's going on with this animation dot, but I believe that it has something to do with your heart rate possibly. I am not sure, but I like the way they got the digital time in a place where it shows it out a lot more because it has the black background. Not a bad look. Now ladies, this is not interactive, but you have all your step information for the most part up front. I need for you to hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts on this watch face. And with that, that's it. Enjoy the rest of your day. The weekend is almost here. All right, you all, don't forget to hit the like button on the way out. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.